I recorded this already for like 20 minutes. Didn't catch any of it. So I'm a little bit mad, but those sleeping dogs. And thank you so much for clicking on the video, and I hope you enjoy. This is a really fun game. I've played it before multiple times. It's not my account. I've actually beaten the game. Let's go. Women! Ah! Is my sleeping homeless friend here? Jesus, just sit down. How many times do I have to kick a hoe? What's up? There he is, my sleepy homeless friend. His name is Kim. Go away, Kim. Actually, Kim, you're coming with me. No, shut up, Kim. You don't want to, do you want to come with me? Do you, Kim? I said, do you want to come with me, Kim? No? What a douchebag. Yep.
Flying Horse Hobbies.
Woo!
Check out all the latest kits with a massive range of accessories, including engine parts, adhesives, fuel seals, and winter blades. Get on the Flying Horse
Let's go.
waiting list now.
Oh! I jumped a car. That's some beast. That's only for beast. Two OP. Screw my personal property. And screw this man. Ah! He tries to throw a swing at me after hitting me with his bike. We do not have jerks here. We don't have people that like to run. Those guys suck. But look up! Look up! He was trying to hit me. Ha! Got him. I'm gonna fight off the cops with my hands. Jesus! Whoa! I surrender! Jesus Christ! They just went all out on that one. They were like, stop hitting me! And I just fell over in bed. Up. Ah! Car. Go. Go! Run! Get in this vehicle. Oh, get in! This is not fair! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Seriously? I was trying to get in the car, and he wouldn't get out! Because he's an idiot! Cop? He didn't have his gun. Just kill me. Just kill me now. Kill me right now. He didn't have his gun. I'm taking it. Wait, took it like a man and never got shot in the face, which is good. You put that on your permanent records, buddy. Shut up! Go take pictures! None of it! 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 I said none of it. God damn. None of it! None of it! Oh, make it, make it. You're making it. Go away, go! Get in that car. Get in that damn car right now. Get in and go. Drive. Hit as many people as possible. Woo! You're doing it. Go away. Go away, go. Go away, go. Okay. Oh, I got it. That one's gonna explode. Woo! I have a gun. Guns are good. I have a gun. Who wants some? The bike just slowly falls over. You good? Better not run. Better not run. Said don't run. Why didn't you just listen? This is not fair! Ow! You hear the sound way, man? He was like, ah! Ah! Like he was just in the most pain a man could be at one time. And it makes me go like, well, maybe it's probably because you're filled with bullets. Like, seriously, he literally got a lead salad. Why are you here again? Why are you so small? Let's check the map! Huh. I'm chilling. Jeez. Let's go cockfighting. Cock! Lots and lots of cock! So much cock! You know? Excuse me. Wait! Bruh! Takes off. No, 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 no! No! You're not getting away with that. Sorry, dude, but nobody gets away with that because that's just a jerk move. What's up? Oh, knock that tree out, bruh. Oh! Did you see them Mad Dodgers? Them drifts. Drifts like we was in Tokyo, but no, this be Hong Kong. Woo! Oh, hell no. Way is not having no bad guys around these parts. Way does not have this, bro. Jesus, there are a lot of you. Go, ladies. Way's a hero. What's that? This is like Batman. Ah! You missed? Watch out! Oh no! Oh no! Run! Run away! Run! You have to regen. Okay, just regen. Calm down. You're cool. Cool? We cool? Let's go kick their asses now. Let's get back to that. Kicking their asses, because we ain't having that, you know? I hate this guy! Go! Away! Jesus! We had no health! No health! Jesus! You alright there, Way? Yeah, we're alright. We save people. Oh, there's a lockbox. Oh, it's not locked. Alright. Just give me $10,000. I'll take it. Woo! Now we need a new bike. I'm skilled this way. Jump pretty high. I mean, Jesus. That was like, phew. Oh, I see a bike over there. You can get it, Way. Run! Run! Run, run, run! Go, go! No! You piece of crap, you stay in this lane. None of it! Alright. Excuse me. Yes, mate. Let's go. Making it all the way to them cocks. We love cocks here. If you guys are new, we love cock. Cock is just great. You know? Whew. Them drifts like this was Tokyo. But no, this ain't. Weep. Ready? We're almost there. Bum, 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 bum. Really? That doesn't help. I want to make it there. I want to go cockfighting. Jerk. Not letting me go touch cocks. Maybe. Oh, Jesus Christ! I'm dying! Dude! You kidding me? I was so close to getting all the cock. All that cock. All that sweet cock! And they were just like, no, you can't have cock. You can't handle the cock. And I was like, hell yeah, I can handle that cock. Achoo! I was mid-flip, and he shot me right in my spine, and I died. Okay, one last try. How was that? You're magic. Dude, stop. Be taller! None of it. Hey! None of it! None of it. You're getting taken down. You wanted it rough? I got you it rough. You happy now? Are you happy now? Are you happy that you get this? Oh! Yeah, what now? What now? Bruh? What now? You wanna go? Who wants to go? Sir? Okay. We're good. We just need a car. Woo! Woo! Okay. Okay, not that car. Car sucks. Probably the car you wouldn't want. That car up there. Catch up to it, Way. Oh! You're jacking the police vehicles now. Damn, Way. You got them skills. You got the sickest of tricks. Who wants to go? I'll go with anyone right now. Right here. Go. I ain't even got a problem, bruh. If you got a problem, bruh, then you must be a problem, bruh. I'm fine. I'm fine. Bruh, you're telling me you can't climb that. You're stupid, Way. You're stupid. You're a toot. And you don't deserve to live. Get back in the car now. Oh, it's an undrivable car. Okay. I have him. Can't shoot me. You shot your friend! Jesus! Well, I'm gonna have to end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, well, leave a like. And I really appreciate every time anyone leaves a like. And, I don't care who you are. If you didn't like it, go away. Don't leave anything, please. Well, unless you're gonna be nice about it. Unless you have constructive criticism. Always open to that. And if you're new and you liked it, please subscribe today. Or if you just like anything about me, go to my other channel, Hunter Drillum. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, no matter what, I will be in the next video. And I will never stop posting videos, by the way. Bye.